Ever walked into your room, saw your Alexa glowing yellow and thought, is it broken? Is it spying on me? What's going on? You've reset it, updated it, or unplugged and plugged it back in, but that yellow ring keeps spinning or blinking. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it means, and how you can make it go away, forever if you want. So let's clear this up. When your Amazon Echo or Alexa device has a blinking or spinning yellow ring, it just means you've got a new message or notification. It could be a reminder, a delivery update from Amazon, or even a message from someone else using Alexa. To check what it is, all you have to do is say, Alexa, what are my notifications? Or you can say, Alexa, clear my notifications. Once she reads them out or clears them, the yellow ring will disappear. Easy, right? But let's say you don't want these notifications at all. Maybe you find the yellow ring annoying. Maybe Alexa spoiled your birthday surprise by reading out the gift you ordered. Either way, here's how to turn off the yellow ring forever. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Tap more in the bottom right. Go to Settings, Notifications. You'll see different categories like Amazon Shopping, Reminders, etc. Tap each one and turn off the toggle switches. Especially under Amazon Shopping, disable the option that says, Say or Show Item Titles. This keeps Alexa from blurting out what you ordered. Perfect for surprise gifts. So now you know. That yellow ring isn't a mystery anymore. It's just Alexa trying to help. A little too eagerly sometimes. You can choose to keep it, clear it, or shut it down completely. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more smart home tips, quick tech tutorials, and everything.